When dealing with the aftermath of a fire, more stress is the last thing your family needs. Dealing with the insurance, multiple contractors, and the permitting process can be very hectic. That's where Good Life Fire Restoration comes in place. We take care of all those things for you so you can focus on getting your life back together. Good Life Fire Restoration is here to help you and your family restore your home. We relieve your stress by planning and executing the reconstruction of your house. Our experts are standing by to help consult you every step of the way.